Wah, wah. Habibi, I'm from India. I like to look. Where are you? United States America. Engage, respectful, and clearly chat. Okay, I love you. Bye bye, bro. Bye bye. Bye bye. Namaste.
My God, is that you, Devin? That you? I finally found you after all these years. We can be married again. Bro, what the fuck? What's up, bro? You look good, man. I do too, thanks, man. What's up, bro?
It's just got a filter on.
Oh, brother.
What the hell is going on here?
Gang, how you get that shit like that?
What the fuck is that? Nah, bro, I'm done. I'm sorry, bro. I can't even turn my neck. What is you doing? Yo, can you talk? Crying.
Yo. My nigga is a Disney character. What's up, my nigga, bro? Hell yeah. What movie you from? What's your name? What's the name of your movie? I guess that nigga Disney movie named The Life of a Streamer or some shit like that. I bet that nigga like trapped or some shit. Trapping like I'm pretty sure that's a movie or something. I don't know. Ratatouille. Ratatouille. Oh. Got you. That shit's dope.
Oh my God, you scared the fuck out of me. How do you do that?
What?
Ooh.
Hey, you saying random bullshit.
He looked like you.
Bro.
Please. Please.
What's up? I like your filter, man. You in Baltimore? Yeah, we got the same beanie, bro. Why don't you got audio? No audio? You gotta get a mic, bro.
Oh, hell no. This is a TikTok live.